In this video, we'll introduce you to the settings and basic and moving subjects.
master every move.